Okay, guys, networking and cloud computing. Maybe some of you, when you heard those words, you think like a guy with a dark hoodie and staring at a black screens, and uh, you see it like in the Matrix. But the reality is, it's not just about screens. Yeah, it's about connecting people. It's about making sure your WhatsApp message send, your stream Netflix smoothly, your Netflix stream smoothly, and businesses run without crashing. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pratya Diraksana Avan Suluh Nagara, but most people call me Avan. I am a network engineer and cloud computing enthusiast. And for the next few minutes, I want to take you on a journey, my journey, as a disciplined learner aimed at mastering cloud technology and networking. So, in my second slide, this is about me, a foundation of discipline and drive. So, who am I behind the keyboard? I'm currently a vocational student at IDN Boarding School, especially in Solo. Now, if you think normal high school is hard, you must try boarding school. Yeah. If you compare a normal school with a vocational school, it's a different world. You don't just learn how to pass exam. You learn how to survive. You learn uh, how to manage your own time. You wake up before the sun is up. You manage your own laundry. You manage your own life. But you know what? Living in a boarding environment has been the greatest hack for my personal growth. It forced me to be independent. It forced me to build a character of strict discipline. I'm not just a guy who loves tech. I'm a guy who respect their process, and my process is leading me towards one big career interest, to become a professional cloud architect and to pursue my higher education in Taiwan, especially at NTUST and NTHU. But we will talk about Taiwan later. Uh, this is my education background. First, this is about my school. The name is IDN Burnley School, vocational high school, specialist in computer and network engineer, or you can say TKJ. Our curriculum integrates advanced IT training with character building and religious values. So, in my school, we not just learn about tech, yeah. We learn about English and then uh, dinia, or you can say religious lessons. We mix it. Instead, we focus on hands uh, hands-on practice. Cisco networking, AWS cloud infrastructure, system administration. But what make my education unique is the approach. It's an integrated IT curriculum with character building and religious values. Because in the IT world, having the skill to build a network is important, but having the integrity not to break into it is even more important. Uh, this is about my comprehensive skill set. The first is about hard skill. Provision in advanced networking concepts such as Ether channel, OSPF, VLANs, and layer 2 security. And experience with cloud computing technologies, including AWS YAM, Outpost, and virtualization. And about my soft skills, there's demonstrates critical thinking about effective teamwork. So we know that when we have so many hard skill like networking and maybe about cloud computing and something like that, it's important, but the most important is how to uh, manage your emotion when you in a team, like you discuss with your friends, uh, thinking and something like that, and strong discipline. Of course, uh, when we want to be businessman or maybe something like that lah, we must have strong discipline, and this is the most important, I think, the high English proficiency, because with English we can connect with a word with uh, all of people in this world. And the last is crucial for global collaboration and problem solving. And the last is about key tools, hands-on experience with industry standard tools like Cisco, KNS3, OS console, Winbox, and various Linux distributions. So this is project showcase my first project in this semester, by the way, not in the first when I was entering the school. So this is AWS educational guidebook. So I thought, how can I make this easier for my friends? Not only my friends, by the way, like all of people. I thought the role of a content creator and technical writer. I translated complex cloud infrastructure concept into a structured, step-by-step learning material. I didn't just write a book, I built a bridge for beginner to cross into the world of cloud computing without feeling overwhelmed. Teaching others is actually the best way to test your own knowledge. So, in my second project is the enterprise campus network design. Imagine a huge corporate building, hundreds of computer, server, IP cameras all needing internet, but they must not interfere with each other. In this simulation, uh, I act I act as the network architect. I didn't just plug cables randomly. I designed a secure topology, a good topology. I use Cisco switching with VLANs to separate the accounting department from the Quest Wi-Fi. I use routing protocol like OSPF and AGRP. I mix it, and then so if one cable breaks, the internet automatically find another way. So the internet find the best path. And I applied port security too, so no random person can just plug in a laptop and hack the system. The result, a network that is not just fast, but stable and highly secure. So this is my technical experience, real world troubleshooting. That right, in the IT world, things don't always go according to plan. Things break. Recently, I faced a frustrating real-world problem. The first, hardware and troubleshooting, resolving connectivity issues with a Profilic PL 2033 driver for console cables. And the second is my action what I have taken: diagnose driver errors, analyze system compatibility, and meticulously restore serial access to critical network devices. And key takeaway, demonstrate ability to independently diagnose and effectively solve complex technical hardware issues in real-world scenarios. And this is about my achievements and certifications. The first is about certification focus, intensive preparation for industry recognized certification, including MTCNA, MTGRA, and CCNA, demonstrating commitment to professional growth. And the second is about core competence, deep understanding of QoS, quality of service, and advanced wireless network management using technologies like FlexConnect. And the last, academic goal. My academic goal, actively preparing for overseas university scholarship, particularly targeting institutions like NTUSD or NTHU in Taiwan. This my next slides about challenge and lesson learned. Aduh. Of course, it hasn't been a smooth ride. If you ask me what my biggest challenge, it's time. Balancing a religious, heavy IT curriculum with boarding school activities like morning prayers, halaqah, and dorm duties, it's exhausting. There were days of extreme burnout. But how did I overcome it? I built a highly disciplined morning routine. I organized my schedule down to the hour. Through the sweat and the tired eyes, I learned the most valuable lesson of my life. A quote I hold on to. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. You can have the biggest goals in the world, but without the discipline to wake up early and do the work, it's just a dream. Yeah, like that. And this is my last slide about career goal and future plan. The first, my short-term ambition, of course, graduate from this school, IDN Boarding School with top grades and secure a scholarship at Taiwan. And my long-term vision is establish a career as a global cloud infrastructure expert, contributing to cutting-edge technological advancements. And my third future plan is I have an impact and contribution, develop efficient, scalable, and secure network solution that will shape the future of tech industry. So thank you. Maybe that's all for me. Sorry if uh, there are so many mistakes that I have made. Hope you can understand about my English skill. So thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.